All right, we got some extensions here. We're gonna throw some Vivids on it today. So we're gonna see what color we can get. This is like a level 10, but you know how extensions are, it's processed, so we'll see if it holds. All right, so we've got our extensions. This one's unopened, and I'm gonna use mesh strips because they're longer than full. Some of these have been put in the dryer, so we're gonna make it work. This is just a bundle. We're gonna try a couple different colors. So we've changed our mind. We've got all of our extensions laid out on our mesh strip, and instead of doing like a certain set of colors, we're actually just gonna do random colors, a nice kaleidoscope, and see which ones take best on hair extensions, because we don't really know how they've been bleached. But these are supposed to be like Remy, very expensive. I think it's like 50 bucks for a pack of 25, so that's really affordable professionally, but we're gonna see. So let's see what we get.
Let's see.
Hey guys, so today we have a bunch of Vivids that we've put in these extensions. These were level 10 platinum blonde, and so I basically have all the Vivid colors except a select few. So I'm going to show you what they look like with it on, and then we're going to rinse them. So this one is the Too Cute Coral, the Moody Blue, the Blissful Blue, Luscious Lavender, Smoky Silver, the regular silver. It's got a lot more of a purple hue to it, deeper. We have red. This is one of my favorites, the Mystical Mint. We have the neon yellow, the neon orange, the regular orange, neon green, emerald green. This is the locked in pink. This is the rose gold. This is the Sunstone. This is a new color from Vivids. I absolutely love it. This is the regular pink. This is the magenta. Purple Tourmaline. That is also a new one. Wild Orchid. Violet. Aquamarine, which is a new one. Neon Blue. Locked in Teal. Amethyst, which this is a purple, but it has a lot of like a blue tone, so a lot of people complain that this one actually looks blue, which I'm not gonna lie to you, this one will come out blue. Don't let anyone lie to you. Even if you were a level 10, watch, these will come out blue. We have the locked in blue and the regular blue. So we are going to rinse all of these bad boys and show you what colors we have. Don't forget that the neon colors will actually glow under a black light. They are fluorescent. I have seen it in person and it is amazing. So if you are going to a festival or a party, those are the bomb. So let's rinse these. The processing time for Vivids is about 30 minutes, give or take. Yeah, they have to be applied on 100% dry hair. And let's see what we got, guys. Final product, we just rinsed them out. They have been blow dried. They all came out exactly how they were supposed to. And they are beautiful.